So the Outlaw's all done, and I got a new project I want to show you guys. My new project, Suzuki GT250 two-stroke. So it's all apart because the crank seals were bad. I got new crank seals here. And send out the crank to get new bearings, get it rebalanced, all that. And it's kind of cool. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it really. Cylinders have tiny little auxiliary exhaust ports. So we're going to open those up, widen the exhaust, the main exhaust port. Not going to raise it at all because you want better mid-range for on-road. Raising the port would take away a lot of mid-range, especially on a piston port engine. As you can see, those auxiliary ports are very small. They're doing about nothing right now. They're even gummed up with carbon, so that shows you that there's really no airflow through there. So we're going to open those up some. That kind of sucks though. Their GT250s just had the two transfer ports, just a single window on each side. Well, that's alright. There's room there to make it fairly big, and we'll make something out of it. And then the intake port obviously needs some work. It's kind of cool, even back in the 70s, this bike had oil lines straight to the main bearings, and then that little wheat pole right there sends oil up through into the intake right there where that little post is sticking up. Everything's all here, everything's in really good shape. Only had 8,500 original miles, have the title. You can tell, I mean, it is dirty, but you can tell even where the seat sits, there's no paint wore off. Around the mounts and everything, there's no paint wore off at all. It's in really good shape. Oh, I also got something else here. Slip roll. It can do 18 gauge steel. So, I got these original pipes for the bike. But I got a surprise for everybody. I'm going to be doing a whole video series on how to build your own two-stroke exhaust. Right from doing software or doing the calculations by hand and showing you the mathematics to that, all the way up to using a slip roll and building your own cones and welding it all together and making it fit on the bike. So stick around for that sometime in the next few months. Nice that seat pan is.